When your standard dehumidifiers just aren't enough, this is what you should bring in. Agile equipment now has industrial desiccant dehumidifiers available for hire. Capable of delivering up to 2,400 CFM of process airflow, it's designed for commercial restoration, construction drying, and industrial humidity control. We've used it on construction sites, to universities, to commercial businesses, and more. It can cover up to 1,000 cubic meters for intensive commercial drying at 4 air changes per hour, or around 350 square meters, depending on your ceiling height, moisture load, and building containment. It's ideal for large-scale dehumidification in commercial offices, construction sites, schools, and specialized applications, such as ballast tanks or water tanks. If you're not sure whether or not this solution is for your project, give us a call on 1300 092 647 and our team will be able to help you and determine if our large desiccant dehumidifier is the right fit. So what actually makes a desiccant dehumidifier different? Unlike a refrigerant dehumidifier, which relies on condenser coils, a desiccant dehumidifier removes water vapor through absorption directly from the air using a large rotating desiccant wheel. As it relies on adsorption rather than refrigeration, it can operate very effectively between -18 degrees to 43 degrees versus the 18 to 32 degree range of a refrigerant dehumidifier. Desiccant dehumidifiers therefore have a greater versatility in various environments. Electrical requirements are something that must be considered for this unit as well. It operates on a 415-volt 3-phase power supply, so you'll need access to a suitable 3-phase power. We strongly recommend a qualified electrician carry out the electrical connection. But let's have a look at how it's set up and see the desiccant dehumidifier in action. We've positioned the unit outside our 150 cubic meter drying chamber and connected it to a 3-phase power supply. Using our large flexible ducting, we're using the inside wet air as the supply and delivering the dry air back into the space with a custom cut ventilation board. The reactivation air, which is heated, has both the inlet and the outlet completely outside the space with the outlet ducted far away. Since we're drying a relatively small area compared to a unit's full capacity, we've selected a lower heating setting. After just 30 minutes, you can see the relative humidity has dropped to under 20%, creating ideal drying conditions across the space. One thing to keep in mind is that the unit is quite loud during operation. However, its high airflow allows the dry process air to reach throughout the area, including hard-to-access spaces, helping ensure a consistent and effective dry down. Now let's talk about getting the unit to your site. You're welcome to collect it from our Murray warehouse in Brisbane. The unit weighs 600 kilos and we load it onto your vehicle with a forklift. We recommend using a flatbed truck or a winch trailer to safely unload it at your destination. If you're towing, your vehicle should have a minimum tow capacity of at least 1 ton. If you prefer, we can also arrange delivery for an additional fee. Through one of our partner restoration companies, we can also organize installation and show you how to set up and operate the unit. If you're looking for a highly effective drying solution for a large space, consider hiring from Agile equipment. Send an inquiry to our website for a quote or call us on 1300 092 647. You're always welcome to visit our Murray showroom in Brisbane to physically inspect the unit as well. Thanks for watching.